Sick of the same old European destinations? Sibiu, Romania is the hidden gem you've been looking for. This picturesque town in Eastern Europe is rich in history, culture, and charm. Forget about the crowded tourist spots, Sibiu offers a unique experience that will leave you in awe. From the stunning architecture of the old town to the delicious local cuisine, there's something for everyone to enjoy. But did you know that Sibiu is the richest city in Romania? With its charming cobblestone streets, ornate architecture, and vibrant cultural scene, Sibiu has become a hotspot for tourists and locals alike. This charming Transylvanian city is a must-see destination for any traveler looking to experience the beauty and history of Eastern Europe. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Brukenthal Palace, a Baroque masterpiece built in the 18th century. It was once the residence of Samuel von Brukenthal, the governor of Transylvania. As we wander through the cobblestone streets of the old town, you can't help but feel the medieval charm that still lingers in the air. The colorful houses and fortified churches are a testament to Sibiu's rich history. Sibiu was designated as the European Capital of Culture in 2007, showcasing its vibrant arts and cultural scene. From traditional folk music to contemporary art galleries, this city has something for everyone. Your first stop should be at the magnificent Sibiu Lutheran Cathedral, also known as the Evangelical Cathedral of St. Mary. Built in the 14th century, this Gothic-style cathedral is a testament to the city's rich religious heritage. Take a moment to admire its soaring spires and intricate facade, and don't forget to step inside to marvel at its stunning interior. Next, no visit to Sibiu would be complete without wandering through the charming streets of the old town. Start your journey at the iconic Sibiu Citadel, a well-preserved fortress that offers stunning views of the city and surrounding countryside. Lose yourself in its maze of narrow alleyways, lined with colorful houses and quaint cafes. Stepping into Sibiu's old town feels like stepping into a living museum, where every cobblestone street and medieval building tells a story of centuries past. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of must-see attractions that embody the city's rich heritage. Explore the grandeur of the large square, Piața Mare, where the iconic clock tower stands tall as a symbol of Sibiu's medieval glory. Wander through the quaint passages of the small square, Piața Mică, where charming cafes and artisan shops beckon you to indulge in leisurely strolls and people-watching. Don't miss the imposing council tower, offering panoramic views of the cityscape below. And for history buffs, the Museum of History delves deep into Sibiu's past, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that bring its storied history to life. Whether you're admiring architectural marvels, sampling local delicacies, or simply soaking in the ambience, the old town of Sibiu promises an unforgettable journey through time. Keep an eye out for the iconic Bridge of Lies. The name sparks curiosity and intrigue. So why is it called the Bridge of Lies? Legend has it that this charming pedestrian bridge earned its moniker from the whispers of deceit that are said to echo beneath its arches. According to local folklore, the bridge has a mystical ability to expose falsehoods, causing liars to be plagued by guilt as they cross its span, and that the bridge creaks when a lie is told. Whether it's the result of ancient superstition or simply the vivid imagination of storytellers, the Bridge of Lies continues to captivate visitors with its mystery and allure, reminding us that truth always finds a way to shine through, even in the most unexpected places. For a taste of rural Romania, venture outside the city center to the ASTRA National Museum Complex. Spanning over 96 hectares of picturesque parkland, this open-air museum showcases traditional Romanian village life through its collection of authentic dwellings, windmills, and artisan workshops. It's a journey back in time that's not to be missed. You could also tie in your visit and experience the magic of Sibiu by attending one of its many festivals and events throughout the year. Before we conclude our journey, let's not forget one of Romania's most iconic attractions, the legendary Transfagarasan Highway. Dubbed the best road in the world by some, this engineering marvel cuts through the majestic peaks of the Carpathian Mountains, offering adrenaline-pumping hairpin turns and awe-inspiring vistas at every twist and turn. Built as a strategic military route in the 1970s, the Transfagarasan is now a bucket list destination for road trip enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. So, rev up your engines, roll down the windows, and prepare for an unforgettable drive along one of Europe's most scenic highways. However, to truly appreciate the beauty of Sibiu, it's essential to understand its rich and complex history. Founded by German settlers in the 12th century, Sibiu flourished as a center of trade and craftsmanship within the Kingdom of Hungary. Over the centuries, it became a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Romanian, Hungarian, and Saxon traditions shaping its identity. However, the city's history took a dramatic turn during the dark days of communism in Romania. Under the regime of Nicolae Ceausescu, Sibiu, like many other cities, endured repression and hardship. Yet, despite the challenges, the resilient spirit of its people endured, and today, Sibiu stands as a symbol of resilience and renewal, proudly preserving its heritage while embracing a brighter future. But what sets Sibiu apart from other cities in Romania? It's not just its picturesque beauty, but also its strong economy and high standard of living. Sibiu has a diverse economy, with industries ranging from manufacturing to tourism. This diversity has helped the city thrive and attract businesses from all over the world. Sibiu's strategic location in the heart of Romania makes it a key transportation hub, further boosting its economic growth. With a high standard of living and a low unemployment rate, Sibiu continues to attract residents and businesses alike. In addition to its economic success, Sibiu also boasts a high quality of life for its residents. With top-notch healthcare, education, and infrastructure, it's no wonder that Sibiu is considered the richest city in Romania. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art enthusiast, Sibiu has something for everyone. Thank you for watching my Sibiu Romania travel guide. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration.